ओम 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 ओम। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वे भी सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गाय धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गाय धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गाय धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षमामृतात्। 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 हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमस्ते, प्रणाम to all of you. Today the topic is Ujjayi and heart problem and cancer problems. This is a very deep topic. On 10 minutes or 20 minutes we cannot cover such topic, and it is very difficult thing to analyze. A very complicated disease that has many reasons for a cancer or a heart attack. But a yogi who does constantly or continuously, very sincerely yoga, and who has a little perfection, then it is thought that he can avoid such type of disease through Ujjayi, because Ujjayi plays a very beautiful role in preventing cancer. Bihar School of Yoga, Yogi Satyanarayan has given something that suppose you do Khechri Mudra and Khechri Mudra with Ujjayi, then you can prevent cancer, he says. Ujjayi Pranayam, you know Ujjayi and Ujjayi Pranayam are two different things. The beginners are told to do Ujjayi Kriya, and somewhat if you become a little bit perfect in your activity, yoga activity, then you are given that Ujjayi Pranayam. Ujjayi Pranayam means both way frictional breathing, breathe in and breathe out, both way frictional breathing, not simply one way, like but through breath in you are not doing, or breath in you are doing, breath out you are not doing, not like that. And what is the difference between breath in Ujjayi Kriya and Pranayam? Kriya is without hold and Pranayam is with hold. Let's see, this is the Kriya. Slow, long and complete breath out. Second type of Ujjayi Kriya. Slow, long and complete breath out through nose. Third type of Ujjayi Kriya. As we have already discussed, Ujjayi Kriya primarily thought that it removes the cup portion from our lungs. It makes your sound very very good, and it creates warmth energy, hot energy in your body. In addition to that, it is seen that if you have any spondylite type of problems, block of energy throughout your body like neck, waist and knees, knee joints, joint pain, this is also removed. Further, if you have block of energy in your head, also Ujjayi helps you to come out of that. It is seen that further Ujjayi helps. Ujjayi is a very perfect exercise. You can contemplate. What is the Kriya? Now we go to the Pranayam. Pranayam section is when you do hold, means Udyan Bandh, Mula Bandh, Udyan Bandh and Jalandhar Bandh. You add with the Kriya part, then it becomes Pranayam. So the proportion of Rechak, Purak, Antakumbhak, Rechak and Baihyakumbhak is 1:2:2:2:1. Let's do the first type of Ujjayi, Pranayam. The mind is from here to here, from Manipur Chakra to Anahat Chakra. 10 times frictional breath in and breath out. Breathe in, hold, slow, long and complete breath out through left side. Again hold. The proportion of this Rechak, Purak, Antakumbhak, Rechak and Baihyakumbhak is 1:2:2:1. Suppose you do Purak for 5 seconds, you have to do Antakumbhak for 10 seconds, you have to do Rechak for 10 seconds, and you have to do Baihyakumbhak for 5 seconds. So that our usual breathing process is 15 seconds, but we have lengthened this cycle to 30 seconds. Thereby we are saving one breathing 15 seconds. So like that pranayam increases the life also. But how Satyanarayana Swami Satyanarayana from Bihar School of Yoga thinks that Ujjayi can prevent cancer. You see, Khechri Mudra. Khechri Mudra is a process to reverse your tongue. This tongue then reversed backside as much as possible. That is Khechri Mudra. In Khechri Mudra it is told that नच क्षुधा तृष्टान्तस्य नच जरा व्याधि भय नच मृत्यु भय तस्य जोबेडी मुद्रा खेचरी. Means खेचरी मुद्रा, if you are practicing regularly, then you will not immediate hunger, immediate thirst, disease and even death problem may be avoided. That means you will be diseaseless. You will be free from disease. So Khechri Mudra is given that much importance in yoga. Now Khechri Mudra, when you practice along with Ujjayi, then these nerves connecting to tongue, to Agyan Chakra, to Navi, navel and to backbone, they give good circulation of energy. So cancer, that disease which is due to weakness, like taking a lot of liquor, or you are having a high tension, such type of, you have something in your mind which is just giving you a lot of pain, or you are just suffering from some pain, you got a disease, you are not eating properly, and you are taking something wrong habits you are having, like smoking or chewing tobacco, all the things that continuously gives some stress to a particular part of your body, then that becomes a bruise. That becomes a bruise, and thereby that gives that is not prevented, or that becomes difficult to cure. So blood circulation and just mind getting free from any unnecessary thoughts is thought to be a prime cause, or weakness, avoiding of the weakness, or continuous pain to a particular part of body. So taking good diets also, like that, not staying hungry for a long time. And after staying hungry, if you take some wrong food like tobacco or cigarette or liquid, so that may damage some part of, and eventually that may change into a cancer disease. So Reiki treatment also thinks that a lot of mental thought could be the cause of a cancer. So we do this reversing of the tongue, and we do Ujjayi. We do Khechri Mudra and we do Ujjayi. And we think, we wish that we will be free from cancer. First type of Ujjayi, I reversed the tongue. Hold. You just chant the name of any god. Om Namah Shivaya. Breathe out through left. So, Yogi Satyanarayan Maharaj from Bihar School of Yoga, he thought that if you do for a longer period, like you see, I just took 1 minute or 30 seconds to complete one cycle of the three types of ujjayi. Suppose I may take mostly 2 minutes for the total three types of ujjayi. So 30 minutes can you do like this? That may increase the temperature of your body, but as per the common sense we can think that if you do some exercise for a longer period of time, then it may be helpful continuously and for a longer period of time. So you can any person who wants to prevent cancer type of disease, they can do this for 15 to 20 minutes or 30 minutes. That maybe in 3 times he can do 10 minutes morning, 10 minutes afternoon, and 10 minutes in the evening. So we do, I do 7 to 8 minutes ujjayi every day. Second type of ujjayi, tongue reversed, Khechari mudra. Breathe out from left. Hold. Third type of ujjayi, Urdhva ujjayi. Breathe out through left. Hold. I added 2 types of extra exercises in ujjayi. In Ardha Machandrasana doing ujjayi, because Ardha Machandrasana is helpful for diabetics. So, but any posture should be hold up to from 30 seconds to 3 minutes. So, if you do ujjayi in this posture also, that becomes more effective for some other disease as well as for diabetics also, lungs problems, or we are just discussing about this disastrous disease cancer. So this can be helpful also. Hold. Breathe out through left. Again hold. Second round. other side. Breath out, hold. Breath out through left. Now I do Sirsasana.